Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you the canned response feature of our helpdesk plugin. Alright, so firstly, I would like to show you the feature itself. So we are into our helpdesk list. So these are the helpdesk tickets. So I opened some random one, and currently I'm opening it as a support agent. So if I try to decide to answer the client, I click here, and on the canned response I have two options: hello with name and hello with quotes. Okay, so here in this answer it is appropriately to use the hello with name. So this automatically sets hello Andrew. This is the client here. So this is the main idea of the canned response. It is predefined text that is actually sparing some time for you to write it every time. So you just click, and with one click it is automatically set and automatically added into your reply. Okay, so here is other option that says hello with quotes. It is more appropriate to be set into the main answer. So when you open a ticket for the first time and you would like to answer the client, so you click on the reply and then click with hello with quotes. So this is making hello dear Andrew the client, and is quoting the original text of the first message. So it is you wrote and it is quoted here. Okay, so these are the two options that we have added before starting the video. So I'm going to show you how to actually create new canned responses and some other things. Okay, so you have to go to the settings of this project, and this is helpdesk in our case, helpdesk plugin demo, and then settings. And here you will see the canned response tab here. Okay, so we see the two options that we have already tried. They are using macros. The macros are things that just call some parameters. So in the first case it is a hello with contact first name. It was hello and the client's first name, and the other was hello and the contact first name, and then the quoting, which is you wrote, and this macro ticket quoted description. Okay, so if you'd like to learn more about these macros and see the full list of available macros, you could check our article that is located on our site, that is RedmineUp.com, and here please click on the help and support section, and then you will have to click on help desk, and then you will see one article that is with title macros. So here the macros are described in detail, and you will see the full list of available macros. So the one that was used in our example was contact first name and the quoting macro. So this is ticket quoted description. So there are many others that could be used anytime. It is the ticket history. It is putting all the full history of a ticket into the reply, the ticket project, the ticket subject, and so on. There are many options here, so you could check it for yourself. Okay, so we'll return back into our canned response settings, and let's try to create some new. So we click on the new canned response here with this button, and yeah, firstly we pick the name. So okay, it could be test canned response 1. Here you will see the author of this canned response, which in my case it is the user that I'm logged in. It is Paul Smith. So this is the guy who is creating the canned response. and there are options public and for all projects, so they are pretty clear, I guess. So for now we will check only for all projects and write some content here. And here, just to see that we have a lot of macros here that are listed. So yeah, you could check on our article that I showed you, or you could just pick them directly here from the available macros section. Okay, so let's see. Let's say hello or dear, and okay, this time we will say the last name of this client. So dear Mr. or Mrs. some guy or lady, and now let's put some text. Okay, so let's see. Date. Okay, we'll use the date. Today, okay, today we received your message. So today, into the brackets there will be the date automatically added. Okay, and here at the end we will see yeah, we'll set the ticket history. So this is the full history of the ticket, all replies, so the initial message and all the replies afterward. This means the ticket full history. You could check the full history of the ticket here. Alright, so that will be our canned response for testing purposes. So I created. Alright, so we have created it. Now let's go back to the project, our helpdesk project, and then the issues, the tickets. Okay, so we click on reply now, and pick. So when you click on the canned response here, you will see that there is a new entry here. This is the canned response that we have just created for testing purposes. Test canned response 1. So we click, and we see that it is done as expected. So there is dear Mr. Kowalski. So this is the last name of this guy, that is Andrew Kowalski. Dear Mr. Kowalski, today, so this is the date of the current video demonstration recording. This is 8th of August 2025. Today we received your message. You could check the full history of the ticket here, and the full ticket history is quoted below. So it includes the very first message as well as all the replies afterward. So this is the full ticket history. Okay, so we send this reply to this guy Andrew. Alright, successful update, and email was sent to Mr. Kowalski. So when we scroll down, we'll see our answer here. So here is the answer, and here is the ticket history that is automatically added to the reply. Okay, so basically this is the feature of the canned response. So I would like to show you some more things as well. Okay, so other thing that I would like to show you is that there is a second way of creating the canned responses. So the one that I showed you was in the project settings. So the second method is if you are administrator or you have administrator permissions and you could access the administration panel, then the second way could be accessed there. So in the top right corner you will see the administration, so please click on there, and afterward you will see the help desk here. So you click here, and here you will find the canned responses tab as well. So this is the global administration help desk settings. So we click canned responses here, and yeah, if you remember, we click on for all projects. So this is the one that is appearing here. These canned responses are not predefined and set for all projects, but they are visible here because you are seeing them as administrator. Okay, so yeah, we could create a new canned response here from the administration panel in the same way that is created into the project level. So we click on the canned response, and yeah, we have new canned response, which will be test 2. Okay, so we will set to be public and for all projects this time, so 2 options. Okay, so let's say hello, and this is contact name, so it will put the full name of the client. So we copy and paste. Okay, this time we will set ticket priority, just to let you know that this ticket has the priority itself, and we say priority. So it could be, for example, high, just to let you know that this ticket has a high priority, or it is low, it could be automatically populated here low. Alright, so let's put something else, for example, the ticket public URL. So ticket public URL, there is a article in our documentation explaining this feature. This means that via this link everyone else outside of Redmine could check the ticket. So there is literally everyone, so there is no need to have a registration into Redmine, or you do not have to have an account. Just click on the link and it is publicly globally available for everyone on the internet. Alright, so if you wish, you could check this ticket publicly, or freely via this link. Okay, so let's create. Here is our new canned response. It is test number 2, created in the administration panel of helpdesk. Just 1 second, please, just to show you the article that I mentioned. So it is named in this way: how can my customers see their tickets without registration? So this is explaining the public feature, public link feature of helpdesk. So the public link could also be accessed here on the ticket itself. However, the macro is automatically adding this public link. So here it is described, and also there is a video demonstration that I have made, so if you like, you could check it. Okay, so let's go back and test the new canned response that we have just added. Okay, so we go back to the project of helpdesk, and yeah, we pick the other ticket. So yeah, this is the other ticket, and click on reply, canned responses, and we'll see the test 2. So we click, and here it is. Hello, Pillington Derek. So this is the full name of this client. Yeah, and just to let you know that this ticket has normal priority. So let's scroll up and check. Yeah, the priority of this ticket is normal. Yeah, so it is automatically populated, and if you sorry about that, if you wish, you could check this ticket freely via this link. Okay, so we submit, and see the answer that we have just added here. So this is the link itself. Everyone that has this link could access the ticket globally all around the world without registration in Redmine or any kind of registration. So yeah, if you click, the ticket itself will look like this. This is the public tickets, public view of this ticket. Okay, so yeah, here is the button of the public link. So if you click here, you could also copy paste the link from your browser, but just to say one more time, the macro of public ticket link is automatically added into your answer. So here it is. Okay, so other thing that I wanted to show you is the permissions. So as your administrator, as now I am, you could go to administration and then roles and permissions, and then pick the role of users that you would like to grant access. So let's pick the reporter role. So on the reporter role, you scroll down to help desk, yeah, here is the help desk, and you will see a couple of permissions here. So yeah, the canned responses have two options: manage public canned responses and manage canned responses in general. So if you enable these features, these permissions, then the guy that will this role of reporter, the Redmine user, could do the things that I have showed you in this video. So they could add or delete canned responses into a project level. So yeah, if these features and permissions are disabled, then he will not see the canned responses tab at all. So he will not be able to control the canned responses. So yeah, we have just granted the permissions and scroll down to save our changes. Yeah, okay, so again to say, the reporter role, before this change, they could use the canned responses without any problems, but they were not able to manage them, to control them, to add, delete, and something else. But when we granted now the permission, every user that have this role of reporter could do these changes, could add or delete canned responses. Alright. Okay, so sorry about that. I wanted to show you one more thing. Okay, so let's go again to our help desk, and into the settings of this help desk we go to canned responses again. Yeah, just wanted to show you that the canned responses are listed alphabetically. So here in our example we have 4 canned responses, but imagine if you have, for example, 1000 or 2000 of canned responses. and if you'd like some of them to be showed on the very beginning of the list, you could do it via just putting a number, so they are alphabetically and the numbers are sorted and listed before the letters. So yeah, if you'd like this, for example, the second canned response to be appearing on your top list, then I will show you how to do it. Just 1 second please, just to show you before we are doing the change. So yeah, we go to issues here. There are no issues because we have already answered, but we remove the status open and click on apply. So now these are the tickets that are closed, answered. So we open them again and click on reply. So yeah, you see that H is before T, so they are listed in this way. But now we would like this test 2 to appear on the top list here. Okay, so we return back here and edit this canned response via the edit pencil button here, and just put 1 before the title, so number 1. Alright, and it automatically goes up on the top. So if you'd like this one to be here, for example, you could edit again and put 2. Okay, so if we return back to the ticket and refresh our ticket, then click reply again. Yeah, we click on the canned responses and you will see that it is successfully appearing on the top. So test 2 canned response is first, this one the second, and the others are below. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing I wanted to show you. And yeah, the very last thing that I want to show you is that yeah, you could simply delete a canned response if you do not using it anymore. Here it's pretty simple and straightforward. Yeah, so you just click on delete and the system asks you, are you sure? And you say, of course I'm sure. So this canned response is no more listed here. And if we return back to the ticket and just refresh, we click on reply and then canned responses again. Yeah, we see that this canned response is no more appearing on the list. Okay, so this was the canned responses video for showing the feature of our help desk canned responses. I hope I just showed you the most important points and parts of this feature. If I have missed something, sorry about that. You could contact us anytime to ask some questions, or if you have some problems, or if you need just some help, please contact us at support@redmineup.com. So our support engineers will help you answering your questions. Thank you very much again for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel or check other articles and videos from RedmineUP. Bye bye.